Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to use derivatives bonus on Bybit. Firstly, from the home page, hover your cursor over promotions in the top left corner. Click on Reward Hub from the drop-down menu. In the Reward Hub, click on My Tasks, then go to Task History. Under the Accomplished section, claim your bonus. You must claim your rewards within the time limit or they will expire. To see the bonuses you've claimed, go to My Rewards. Select the bonus you want to review, then click on it to view full details. Now go to Assets at the top right of the home page. Choose your wallet type like Unified Trading Account or Standard Account. Here you can see the balance of your claimed bonus. To use it, go to the Derivatives Trading page. Then select contract type you want to trade. This will take you to the appropriate trading interface. In the order section, you can open a new position, customize order settings based on your trading strategy. The bonus can now be used to support your trades. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.